Blade F203 coffee grinder. It's a great little grinder for anyone looking for something cheap, entry-level grinder. Very basic to use and operate. You've got your basin or bowl inside there with your blade. You've got your hopper here, goes on there, a safety switch, you push down. Let's show you some of the different types of grind this can do. You can do a good coarse, medium and fine grind with this. Obviously it's not going to be as good as the burr grinder, but you do get what you pay for. So if you're looking for a better grinder, obviously the burr is the way to go, but for the budget minded, something like this as an entry level is perfect for everyday use. Let's have a look. Grab some beans. Okay. Operating is pretty simple. You take your beans. I've got enough here for a French press. Dip in your beans like that. Take your cover. Place on top. And here's your button for starting. Now for a coarse grind, I recommend anywhere between 3 to 5 seconds. And I actually like to pulse. So count to 5 and then pulse. Have a quick look. That's very coarse, if you can see that. So I'll go a little bit longer. 5. And that's a perfect coarse ground coffee there. The good thing about the KRUPS coffee grinder is the actual shape here. It's not totally round. It's elliptical, which makes it a lot easier for pouring out the coffee. Let's have a look. Let's go for a medium. Okay, so we're going for a medium here. Exactly the same as before, top on tightly. And for a medium, I say anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds. It's all about how long you press the button down for. I like to pulse it. I don't like the motor or the blades to warm up. So I do a pulsing action until I get the consistency I want. So let's try a medium grind. Okay, nice medium grind. I don't know if you can see that. You could obviously go a little bit longer if you want it a little bit finer. Let's tap that out. And let's try finally for a very fine grind for an espresso or a mocha pot or something like that. For a fine grind, I suggest around 30 seconds. Again, I recommend pulsing so the blades and the motor of the grind doesn't warm up too much and heat up, which can affect the taste of your coffee. Let's have a go then. It's the fine grind. Halfway through, I'll have to give it a bit of a shake and a tap. Make sure you get all those coffee to the blade. Let's have a look. Yep, lovely fine grind there. Again, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so we've got a medium, a coarse, and a fine grind here, all with the KRUPS F203 grinder. And like I said, you're not going to get the same quality as you would with a burr grinder. A lot of inconsistency with each grind. The medium grind has quite a few chunky bits in it. The fine grind is fine, but it's not universally fine. It could be better. And again, the burr grade of a grinder would do a better job than this. But for everyday use, you can't really go wrong. I use mine for a quick coarse grind for my French press. It does a great job. And that's basically it. That's the KRUPS F203 grinder. A great entry level and cheap coffee grinder for home. Thank you very much.